Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday morning. I'm ready to have a good week this week. I'm going to be productive, I'm going to get things done, and I'm going to... what else? I'm going to pamper myself as well this week. So I want to be productive, and then in the evenings I want to have a nice little pamper. That is my goal for this week. But I thought I'd start this Monday morning with a little chat actually. I'm going to put you down, I'll see if this works. Oh, that's actually alright. So tonight I have a video going up on my channel called Leaving YouTube in 2018. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about it going up because it's something that's been going on in my life for a few months now at least, and I was waiting for the right time to talk about it on YouTube. But there are a couple of things in the video that I feel I didn't make clear enough, but it was only last night that I realised I hadn't mentioned these things, and I'd already edited it. It's all uploaded, it's ready to go, so I can't really like change it now. But in the video I said that I feel like I don't really fit into YouTube, I don't belong on YouTube anymore. And basically what I meant by that is that within YouTube there are categories of YouTubers to watch. You have your makeup YouTubers, you have your family channels, you have your comedy channels, you've got your gaming or whatever. Like there's so many on YouTube, but I don't feel like I fit into any of them. And when that happens, it feels like you just don't, well, you don't belong. But I don't think I made that clear enough in the video. So when I said I don't feel like I belong on YouTube anymore, I don't fit in or whatever I said, I feel like it's going to come across me saying that I don't like YouTube, I don't want to do it because it's not me. Sorry, my feet are really hurting, I can't like figure out how to sit. The other thing that I didn't mention, and the reason I didn't mention it is because I only like came up with this idea really like yesterday, is that I said that I'm not sure where I want my channel to go this year. However, now I feel like I've got a little bit more of an idea where I want my channel to go. As I said, I'm doing a new job, I'm starting a new project now, and that's going to take up quite a bit of time. However, the other 50% of my time I would like to be weekly vlogging and uploading that vlog once a week on my channel. I would absolutely love to get to the stage in my life where I can do that, but that means I have to like have a quite interesting life, and I just don't know what's going to happen this year. I don't know whether that's going to be feasible or not. That's where I would hope my channel could be at. If it gets to a point where like I'm not able to do YouTube at all, then that would be a real shame because I really do enjoy vlogging. And if the tables turn and I still get to carry on the way I'm doing YouTube along with this other job, then that would be perfect. But I feel like weekly vlogs once a week are kind of like a good middle ground. So those are the things I wanted to mention. If you are watching this weekly vlog, it means that you genuinely like me, so thank you, and I'm glad that I got to tell at least you what I meant in that video. But like I said, it's Monday morning, I'm gonna have a productive week this week. I've got my Carbs and Cuddles sweatshirt on again. I am literally living in this, I love it, it's so comfy. I feel like I'm gonna get quite a few questions about this. So this is actually from Coconut Lane. You can get the white one, or you can get black or grey or light pink. I was choosing between the white and the light pink because I loved both of them. And Coconut Lane have actually given me a discount code, so you can get 20% off anything on their website with the code FABHAN20. The thing I really like about Coconut Lane is that you can choose really girly stuff, or you can choose stuff that's not so girly, like this. I'd say this isn't really that girly. So I sneezed. But I really like that because sometimes I'm a proper girly girl and sometimes I'm just not. So they let me pick out a few things from their website. So this was the first thing, and this was the thing I was most excited about. I actually love it. And then the next thing that I picked out was this makeup bag. I'm actually obsessed with makeup bags, like I have so many. There's no way I'll use all of them all the time, but I'm gonna like switch them out. This is one of my new favourites. It's this really pretty, like, I think it's called Banana Leaf. I don't know, I really like the print of it though, and they do like a pinky one as well that's a bit more palmy. I've definitely explained that really badly. I also chose this notebook which says stay focused and extra sparkly. I thought it was so cute, and you can never have too many notebooks. And the final thing that I picked out from Coconut Lane, oh my god, I'm ridiculously excited about having this as well. I've wanted one of these for so long. It is a Selfie light phone case. Look at that. Oh. Look how good it is, guys. The first thing I thought when I turned this on is this is going to be perfect for nights out. As you can see there, it's got the lights down either side of your phone. And then I chose just the plain black one. And on the back, as you can see, there is a little button which turns the lights on and off. So it's super simple. I absolutely love it. Oh, I love that focus. So those are the 4 things that I picked out from Coconut Lane. I absolutely love all of them. So if you love them like I do, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below, and I will also leave links to these specific items. And if you use the code FABHAN20, get 20% off. It's about 12:30 now, so I think I'm going to stop and have a lunch break, but I've just been doing some work this morning. I'm not sure if I said, but this afternoon I'm going to sit and do some video planning. This light is really not flattering. These type of lights along with spotlights are the worst for vlogging. But I'm so hungry right now, so I think I'm going to have some lunch. I need some brain food. Right, so I've just had lunch and I'm now going to head out because basically my dad runs a business. My best friend Leanne works there, and one of my mum's best friends works there too. And first thing this morning when I got up, I sorted out all like my drawers and my skincare and things like that and stuff I got from advent calendars, and I put together a big box, and I'm about to go and take it into the office so they can have a rummage through and see what they want to pick, because there is no way I would get through everything by myself. I'm so out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. This is today's very standard mediocre outfit. I've got my glasses on today because I could not be bothered with contact lenses. Got my very long ASOS scarf. Absolutely love this. I've mentioned it before and a few of you bought it from my recommendation and also love it. My coat is this really nice warm one from Jack Will. I've got my plain black ASOS jeans on, obviously the best sweatshirt in the entire world, and I'm going to put some little black boots from River Island on, and I'm good to go. Nice and warm and cosy. That is always the goal, my friends. Right, so I have just got home. I have dropped off the goodies that I had to give away. They actually have left me with less than I was expecting, which is nice. I'll just find someone else to give them to. But anyway, isn't this such a professional vlogging angle? Do you like our light? It's well funky, isn't it? It looks so weird from that angle, oh my god. But anyway, the plan now that I feel exhausted from doing the absolute bare minimum. Actually, I have done quite a lot today. I got quite a lot of work done this morning. So right now I'm going to sit down with my mum for an hour. It's about 3:30 now. And we're going to watch an episode of The Crown with a little cup of tea and some Oreo thins, which are one of my absolute faves, and then I'm going to carry on with some more work after that. So that's my plan. It's a very worky Monday, but it's a very productive Monday. Tomorrow I'm filming a video which I'm actually really excited about because I haven't seen anyone do it before. I mean, they probably have, but I've not seen it, so I'm excited about that. And tomorrow I also have a meeting with my accountant in the afternoon, but I weirdly enjoy like the subject of tax and stuff like that. I'm such a weirdo, but I really like that. I find it really satisfying doing like numbers and calculations and stuff. So I'll bring you with me to that because I think we're going to go out for lunch somewhere, and that should be really nice because all the places in Lee are really like quaint and pretty. I desperately need to wash my hair tonight. Actually, it's not desperate, but like I need to wash tonight.
Do you teach this to other people?
No, just you.
Right guys, it's a little while later. It's now 7 o'clock and our plans have suddenly changed. We are now off for a family meal with my auntie and uncle. Not gonna lie, already had a look at the menu online. Know I'm gonna get a burger and chips. I feel like I've not had a burger in ages because I rarely get burgers when I go to a restaurant. And this place also does a Black Forest sundae. Anything like Black Forest, basically cherries and chocolate, is my absolute favourite. It's quite a cash thing, so I'm just wearing this jumper from Ralph Lauren. I got this for literally like £35. It was an absolute bargain, and they're normally 120, so living the life. And I've got my standard River Island jeans on, and I am good to go, almost. Definitely need a coat. I go anywhere with you, 'cause good morning everyone. Oh, my voice. What is wrong with me? I've just got up and got ready and I'm about to film a video. Like I said yesterday, I have a meeting with my accountant this afternoon, so this morning I've been getting ready, all my paperwork and everything like that. I've got ready to film. I'm not having a good brow day. I don't want to talk about it, but I'm going to get on and film this main channel video. I don't think it's going to take me too long actually, and then head out for something to eat with my mum and go and see The Money Man. Ooh, my life is so exciting. Aren't you absolutely thrilled? By the way, my lip combination today, I know I'll probably get questions on it, is the Body Shop's Lip Definer lip liner in the shade. I don't think it has a name, but it looks like this. It's kind of like nudie, but it looks quite pink on my lips, but I like it. And then just to give it a bit of gloss, because I was feeling a bit gloss today, I've used the Barry M That Swell Lip Plumper, which I really like. It smells really good. So that is what's on my lips today. Gone for a little bit of a pinky look because the rest of me is quite neutral. I've just finished filming, as you can see here. I'll show you actually what my setup looks like from behind the camera. Ta-da! I don't know why I thought that would be interesting to show you. Really wasn't. But this is what I look at when I film a video. Don't mind the printer down there. I just use one softbox and natural light in the other side, and then I've got my camera, my little microphone. But anyway, I'm now just importing that footage, and then I'm going to put it into Final Cut Pro to make sure it's all safe. And I think then I'm going to head out because it's now at 1:30 and I haven't eaten anything all day. All I've had today is a cup of tea and I'm absolutely starving. I actually don't know how I've not shriveled up and become like a little prune. That's how hungry I am. Quickly before I go, I've just got changed and put my hair in a ponytail because I feel like this looks a bit smarter. Also took off the pink lipstick because I want to be taken seriously. I'm a businesswoman. Let's go and see The Money Man. Pretty sure business women don't call them The Money Man, but hey ho, let's go. We're just finished having late lunch because it's now 3:15 at a place called Stop the World. It's a little cafe in Leigh-on-Sea. If anyone lives around here, I'd highly recommend it. We both had the tuna melt paninis today and they were really nice. It's not the cheapest place to eat, but it's not like overly expensive, is it?
No, but you could have one between two.
Yeah, we definitely could have shared a panini. They are huge, but it's really nice food, so I definitely recommend that. And we also got some cakes to take away. Yay. Because they are mostly like a coffee and cake type of place, but they also do like lunchtime food. So I've got a Victoria sponge. What did you get in the end?
I got a carrot cake.
Carrot cake, and we got Dad a Victoria sponge as well. So we've just finished having lunch and now we're going to go and see the accountant, but we're quite early because our appointment's not till 4, so we need to have a look around places, but looking around there's not actually that much here, is there? Why is my camera being all pink? So I have just got home and straight away put my cozy PJs on from Primark. These are way too hot to sleep in because they're made of like literal fleece. Well, do you know what I mean? They're like fuzzy material, so it's way too hot to sleep in, but they are perfect for wearing around the house. I actually live in them, especially the bottoms. Like, look at this coziness. I'm gonna head downstairs, I think, and half edit a video and half watch The Crown because we're on episode 8 now, so we're like getting through the first series. There's only 10 episodes in total, so we're almost there, and I need a cup of tea. I am absolutely gasping for a brew. It's about 6:30 now. This cheek is a bit red because I've like been laying on it. We've just watched another episode of The Crown, so yeah, I've been chilling. But I'm now going to run myself a bath. I have a random camera battery in my hand. Definitely shouldn't get that wet. But I'm running a bath and I think I'm going to use a Lush bath bomb tonight because I don't actually get that many bath bombs anymore. I used to be obsessed with them, but then I saw this tweet that was like, using a bath bomb is literally like dissolving a fiver in a bath, and that like completely put me off buying them. However, my friend Sophie very kindly got me a couple of bath bombs for Christmas. I've already used the Golden Wonder one, and the one that I have left is in this little box. It's called Man on the Moon. This is the Man on the Moon bath. Oh, hang on, it's upside down. Oh, that makes more sense. I couldn't figure that out for the life of me. Oh, he's quite cute. You can sit on there for the time being, Mr. Man. I'm gonna have a nice, long, relaxing bath tonight before I have dinner. For dinner we are having southern fried chicken, and then tonight I think me and my dad are actually going to watch this, like, it's called a webinar. Basically, for the business venture that I'm going into, they do like basically a lecture but online. You just pay for it and watch it. That's on at 8 o'clock, so I think we might watch that. Living the life. But that's all that's happening right now, and that's all that's happening tonight. So I'm going to end this section of the vlog here and pick you up again in the morning. PS, I've just realised he's a bubble bar, so he needs to go in the bath right now, Mr. Man. Hello everyone, this is most definitely not my best look. This morning I've been up working at my dad's business just because yesterday I didn't get out of the house. I was doing a lot of editing and I start to go a little bit insane if I don't leave the house. So I went out this morning for a few hours to help him out, and my best friend Leanne actually works up there, so whenever I go up I get to see Leanne, which is always great. And she asked me what I'm doing tonight and I said nothing, obviously, I have no life. So now I am going with Leanne to go and watch her old university's show. I'm not sure if it's like their exam or something. I don't know. It's this local university and their drama performance is tonight. So we're going to go and watch that, get our tickets. Apparently they provide food as well, which is absolutely top notch. But right now I'm going to have lunch because I'm absolutely starving. I'm going to have a halloumi wrap because I know that everyone always says I always have these halloumi wraps and whatever. But minus yesterday I had one. I haven't had them for like a good few months. I need to wash my hair so desperately before I go out tonight. But this afternoon I'm going to do a little bit of work first and then go and see Leanne, which will be very nice, and I'll be sure to bring you with me. But I'm not sure how much I'll be allowed to film because of what the show is, like if it's their exam or not. Here is today's lunch creation. So in this wrap I have halloumi, lettuce, spring onions, red, yellow and orange peppers and a little bit of salad cream. Hi guys, it's a bit later, we're on the train. I've had a shower and washed my hair and everything, so I haven't vlogged for a while, but I'm with Liam. Here she is. And we're on our way now to go and see the performance. Is it their exam? Who knows, we don't know. But we're gonna have a good time, we're not sure if we're on the right train.
Can I flush?
Yeah.
It won't flush.
Oh god, have you done a poo? This lighting is so horrendous, but we're now at the college. We've got our tickets. Leanne had a bit of trouble flushing her poo.
That's not poo.
But I don't think I'm gonna be able to film in there, so this is all I can show you. Got my ticket. That's about it. It's about 7 now. Oh, do you need to dry your hands? Okay, Leanne's gonna dry her hands now, so I've got to go. Bye. Bye. I've just got home from the performance. It was really good. It was really funny. I really enjoyed it. And it was nice to see Leanne again. Obviously, it's always nice to see Leanne, even though I saw her like this morning. Now I am home and I cannot wait to take my makeup off. I haven't even got that much makeup on, like it's just concealer, but you know, I just feel like dirty. Same. So I'm going to take my makeup off and put my PJs on. My arm aches. Give me a second. Look how snazzy this pillow is. This is completely off topic, but I thought as it's in shot, I might as well show you. I got this ages ago from a local garden centre near me. But if you typed in like velvet diamante cushion, I'm sure it would come up. I like it a lot and it really wasn't expensive. It was like £6-8, something like that. But I like the colour of it. Very, very nice. Okay, my arm feels alright now. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm home, gonna have a cup of tea, gonna put my pyjamas on, and I will see you whenever I next decide to vlog. Turns out that's where this vlog ended, but I've just edited it and I still feel like it's a reasonable length. Please let me know in the comments down below, how long do you like these weekly vlogs to be? Do you like them around 10 minutes, around 15 minutes, or like 20 minutes plus in length? Because that would be really handy for me to know actually. But anyway, I hope you all had a lovely week this week, and I hope your Monday has been alright and that you have a nice productive week this week. I actually have another video going up on my channel on Thursday, so look out for that. But anyway, thanks for watching and I will see you again on Thursday. Bye!